Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be talking about another holiday release, but I'm not sure it's released for just for these holidays or it has been around for a while, because I see a lot of these palettes coming on and off, so I'm not sure this is like released for this holiday or it's there for long enough. So the palette I'm talking about today is NARS Wanted Cheek Palette Volume 2, and that's how the packaging looks like. I got it from Sephora for $59. I'm not sure if you can get it at Ulta, but I'll check it and put it in the description box. I'll put in the description box where you can get it from, and I'll put the link to my playlist in which I have other sets reviewed for holidays. So yeah, today we'll be talking about this NARS blush palette, and I love the packaging. So here is the palette. It has artwork for like pixelated face, and at the back you have details about all the blush and everything, but it's mirrored, and if I show you it'll be reflecting a lot of light, so that's not good for you. I don't want to hurt your eyes, so I can tell you what blushes are inside. So it's a little bit difficult to open it up. So guys, there was an accident while I was opening it up. I accidentally dunked my fingers in this blush. Oh my god, I'm so annoyed right now. It's so difficult to open this up. I don't know why they made it like that, but here is the the code. Are you hashtag narcissist? Let me know in the comment box below. So the first thing I really annoyed with is how hard the packaging is to open, and you can see it's all over my nails. So guys, here is the palette, and starting from the top row, first one is a highlight for me, and it's called PYT. It has really beautiful natural glow, and I can wear it during the daytime. It's not over the top highlighter. It's very natural and very pretty. Second blush is Ambition. It's more of a tangerine kind of a color with shimmer in it. Third one is Taos. It's more of a corally color with golden shimmers in it. But one thing I would like to tell you is a lot of these shimmers do not translate on your face. So when I swatched them on my hand, I couldn't see much of the shimmer. They looked really matte and very natural on your skin. At the bottom row, you see the first shade is Exposed, and it's very like neutral, dusty, mauvey or rosy kind of a color which you can wear day to day. Second color is like Penthouse. It's the color which I'm wearing on my cheeks today. It's really vibrant, and you really need to diffuse it with a good fluffy blending brush, and it's a nighttime kind of a shade for me because it's dark but it's still wearable in the night. If you want your blush to pop, this is the color to go for. And the last one is Queen. So same thing goes for Queen too. These two shades, Penthouse and Queen, are really dark, and I think I'll be able to wear them during the nighttime. Although I have Penthouse on my cheeks and I diffused it, I think I can wear it during the daytime, but it's just that it pops a little bit too much during the day. For nighttime or for filming, it's like amazing, it's lovely. So my skin tone is like golden beige or like medium skin tone, and I think I can wear each and every shade of this palette. So I don't think any shade over here is something I cannot wear. So this palette is like a good value for the money I spent. So guys, in my opinion, it's totally worth it to get this palette, and you are paying around $10 for each blush in here, which is really a good price for NARS blushes, and you are getting to try a lot of shades. Although these shades are not like in their permanent collection, so if you fall in love with any one of these, you won't be able to get it. But honestly, there is a lot of blush in this palette, and I don't think you'll be able to go through each and every blush. And the blush texture or the formula is so good that it looks so much more natural, even though you see 3 or 4 blushes which are like shimmery or like satiny, but still when you blend it out they translate to more matte finish. So they are more natural. They give you like a flushed look without looking more powdery or chalky on your cheeks, and you can blend them very easily. You'll see in the swatches they blend blend really easily, and they are amazing. I mean, with the color collection too, I can say the top 3 rows are more of a tangerine, corally, orangey shades, and bottom 3 were like more pinks. So I really love the diversity of shades I'm getting in this palette, so I really love it. The only thing which I hate about this palette, or I don't like, is the way it's too hard to open it up, and I'm really worried I might damage it. I already damaged my palette, so that's something to keep in mind. This palette is really hard to open it. So yeah, so that was all for my views, guys. I'll move on to the swatches, and please subscribe to my channel. Please give this video a like, and stay tuned for my next video. Let's move on to the swatches.